Hello everyone, welcome to Card Pro Max. So in this video, we will discuss about the uh, drafting on assembly. So in the previous two video, we have discussed how to create the view in a part, how to create a drafting view in a part and give the dimension. Similarly, in this assembly design, how to create the drawing. So for that, I am just open one of the assembly for creating drafting. Let this is my component. Okay, so this is my one assembly component. If you want to do the assembly also, sure. Okay, or else I will just open another assembly. Okay, this is the assembly. Okay, later I will just go to this file, new drawing, create the drawing. Okay, now I'm just import the front view, same similar to part, similar to part design. Okay, now you can see only one this part is coming, but if I will double click here and go to this drawing, go for assembly design, sorry, front view. You can see now if you want to rotate this one, so for how to do this one, just go for this, change the angle. You can see it is rotated. Now you can see it's the, I'm just deleting this part view. Now I want to do the assembly design. Okay, now this is the assembly one, but I want to the unfolded view. See, exploded view. For that, what I need to do is I'm just going to this here. Need to do the exploded fully. Okay, explode it, apply. Okay, and this. I'm just going to the scene. This is the exploded one. You can see. I just go to the drawing. How to put the exploded view, isometric view. Go to the isometric view. Piston. This scene. Sorry. To do this one, I'm just this is the isometric view. I want to do the exploded view. For that, you need to open as exploded one. Double click exploded. Go to the drawing. Go to isometric view. This and exploded. Sorry. Yes, you need to do the exploded view here. Now you can see that this is my exploded view. Go to the drawing, go to isometric view, make as exploded, and see this is the exploded view. Now I want to do the ballooning numbering. So for that what I need to do is, if you want to do the numbering, so here create a balloon. Okay, one by one you can do the ballooning operation, or else here insert generation balloon generation, but it is not creating the balloon because we are not giving the number in assembly. So for that what you need to do is, you need to go with analysis, bill of material, sorry, insert, okay, numbering. Here it is, you have numbering. Okay, generate numbering. So I want a 123 integer value. Okay, so now if I'll go to the drawing and go with the tools, generation, balloon generation, you can see the number of number in the number it is coming. Okay, similarly if you want to generate the bill of material, there are two types of bill of material. One is advanced bill of material, one is bill of material. So in the bill of material, it will work in the working view. You can say the bill of material is generated, but advanced bill of material, it will depends upon your assembly. So if I'll go to the analysis and bill of material, you can see the bill of material position, this will come, this is respiratory, all these thing will come. Okay, in the report, the thing which is display, like this should be display, define the format. You can see this display property will display in the bill of material, advanced bill of material. Define the folder, quantity and the part number, it will show in the advanced bill of material. So what I need to do is, I just because bill of material, this advanced bill of material, it will come in with respect to the view. Okay, now you can see this bill material also it is coming in the view. So I'm just deleting because view is more. Okay, so for that what I need to do is, I'm just creating one of the view here, view, and here if you want to add the bill of material, go to the generation bill of material. Okay, now you can see the bill of material is generated. Similarly if I'll go to the next one, sheet background, the advanced bill of material is only possible in the sheet background default. And go to the, now you can see this is the advanced bill of material. You find in this advanced bill of material, you can see the nomenclature, revision and all. Preview, just update it and go to the edit, working view. So this is how we can generate the bill of material and the balloon creation in sheet metal, in an assembly design. Similar way for creating the uh, title block, you just go to the title block and choose the sample of title block according to your requirement and create the title block. For editing also you may define here, for editing write the thing, let, okay, then come to the edit, working view. Now this will become, okay, this is the way how we can generate the drawing in an assembly. Hope you got the concept. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.